Hey, what's up? Today gonna do an install of this Temai Model Y rear trunk hook, which is gonna go over here. And for the unboxing, go ahead and open it up.
You already did it? Dear Lord, cut.
There it is right there.
Tiny little thing. Okay, where does it go?
Under there. So go ahead.
Under where? Here?
Yep.
There's nothing to hook. Is there instructions? Ah. You put it in the push buttons. Okay. The push buttons? For reals? Wasn't here? Wasn't here. Whoa, that was easy.
There you go. All right, folks.